Cicada Enchilada. Insects do not breathe through their mouths. They inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide via spiracles in their exoskeletons. Skeleton should be skeleton. The oldest insect fossil goes back 400 million years. Older than the dinosaurs. Wow. Trees are the longest living organisms on the planet, and one of the most... I read that wrong. One of the Earth's greatest natural resources. I'll fix it in post. Uh-oh. That was a tree fact. Cicadas eat tree sap. Don't let them mistake you for a tree, or you will have to visit the hospital. All bugs are insects, but not all insects are bugs. We can thank Hemiptera for that. Hemiptera. Hemiptera. I said it. Is that all the facts done? McRetro signing out? Signing off.